Let's continue, friends. Now, in lesson 11, we want to continue for the volume part also. What is volume? First, we will learn what is volume. As we have learned what is area, similarly, volume is space occupied by a substance. Previously, for area, we were writing a space occupied by object which is solid shape. Now here liquid state. Okay, so substance is in liquid state, space occupied by a substance. Now we can say capacity also. Measuring unit in volume is capacity, that is in liter and milliliter or so on. So three things we are going to learn, or three different shapes, that is cube, cuboid and cylinder. First we will learn for cuboid. Here this is cuboid shape and we find this is length, breadth and height. So if we start filling water from here, so this much portion is covered by water, that this much length and breadth, and up till this much height, top this much height. So totally it will cover this much portion with water. Okay, so length, breadth till height. Clear, friends? So this means how to find the volume of cylinder. Means totally water covered till the height of this much by length, breadth, area also. So volume of cuboid vessel, we can say length into breadth into height. And the answer may be in centimeter cube or meter cube. Okay. Similarly, we can go for cube shape also. You find that in cube all sides equal. As same like this, length, length, length. So this much area of water or substance is covered up till this much height. Okay. So same what we have done the procedure for this sum. Similarly, we will find the volume of cube shape. Volume of cube is equal to L into L into L, means L cube also we can say, or if suppose we are saying that side, so or side into side into side. Okay, so side cube also can be written. Answer will be in centimeter cube or meter cube और मे बी किलोमीटर क्यूब बोला हुआ है तो किलोमीटर क्यूब. अब इतना बड़ा टंकी तो होता नहीं है, किलोमीटर और मीटर एंड सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. सो वॉल्यूम इज of these two types of vessel. Now cylindrical vessel also. So in a cylindrical vessel, if you want to fill the water, okay, so this is a figure of cylinder, and now we want to fill water from this much area. It will cover this much area. So area of circle, that is up to how much? This much height. Okay, so if we multiply both this, so area of circle multiplied by area of circle is pi r square multiplied by height. So pi r square h, this will be the volume of cylinder shape. So up till here the water will be covered, means till this much height, and in circular form that will be area of circle. Hope so clear. So this way we derive the three formula for finding volume of cube, void, cube and cylinder. Okay, hope so all the three concepts are cleared to you all, and we proceed sums based on this exercise 11.4.